Hi there, welcome to Imran Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make potato cutlets. So this is 3 potato medium size. I already boiled and I already mashed it. So try to save time. And we are using some vegetables in the potato. So this is like a half green pepper, half red pepper, fine chop, and 4 green chili fine chop, and some fine slice cilantro, and this is fine slice mint, and also some green onion slice. So we'll mix it little bit, then after that I'll put all the spices. So this is 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon half cumin powder, half coriander powder. I already roasted and I grind it. So altogether this is 1 tablespoon cumin powder and coriander powder. This is 1 teaspoon mango powder dry, and half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1.5 teaspoon salt as taste. So we'll mix it. So there is a potato, depend on like a potato. Some potato is like a too much starch, and some potato is like a little bit watery, and there is a different kind of potato. Is when you mixing, you can feel it how it look like binding. If its binding is not too tight, if it's loose, then you can use. Some people use the rice flour, some people use corn flour. So this is look like a very good. So I am using a little bit like a 3 tablespoon breadcrumbs. So we'll mix it. Mix it very well because it has to be sticky. If it's not sticky, the binding will be problem. So mixer is ready. So give them little bit 5 minutes rest, and after that we will see you. So mixture is ready. Now I will start making the shape, round shape. So take some mixture, then press it like this, then push down, make the round shape. So we'll make it one by one. So potato cutlet shape is already ready. So now next step will be I have to coat it with the cornstarch liquid and also dip in the breadcrumbs. So there is a few different method. You can coat it with then after that you can fry. You can make besan like a batter, then you can dip it and you can fry it directly, or you can make it eggs coated, then you can fry it. So today I am going to first will make the liquid with the cornstarch. This is like a 3 tablespoon cornstarch, and we'll put some almost I would say 3 tablespoon water. We'll mix it. So now we'll put some bread crumbs on the plate. Now we'll dip it in the cornstarch liquid and dip it in the breadcrumbs. Then we'll take it another plate, then dip it with the cornstarch. Cornstarch has to be not too like a thick, it has to be runny little bit. We don't need too much cornstarch, just we need to coat it. So now final step, we have to fry it. So there is a different way you can fry. Either you can fry deep fry, otherwise you can do the shallow fry. So today I am doing the shallow fry. So I already preheated on medium heat for the last 3 minutes. So now temperature is ready. So now let's start the fry the potato cutlet. So don't put too much because we have to flip it to the both side, so otherwise it will be messy. So I will put another one. So I will put 5. Let's fry one side first. The next, then how do you know it is golden brown from the bottom? You can see the side when it start frying brown, then you can see the from. But now it's the beginning. So I have to fry like at least 5 minutes one side on medium heat. Then after that we will flip it to the other side. So it has been frying for the last 5 minutes on medium heat. So now time to flip it. If you have a difficulty with the flip, you can use 2 ladles, one top and another one ladle. So this is the right the frying temperature, and also you can see this is the light tone, right tone. We don't want to burn the cutlets. It has to be like this. If some people they don't understand to the temperature, then it will it will burn. You have to cook on slow heat and medium for at least 5 minutes. When you are frying the cutlet in the oil, so after 1 minute you can move because center is flame is in the center. The other side is little bit less flame coming, so you have to move like slowly, gently, and move this one and bring it to the other one in the center. You have to rotate it like a continue, and during the frying move like this, then bring it this one here, another one bring it in the center. And one more thing, if you think the side is not properly frying, because this is shallow frying, so you can move the oil little bit like this and like this, so it will be help you to fry properly. So now potato cutlets is ready, so I have to turn off the gas and I will take it out. If you enjoy my recipe, like my video and share with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching Imran Kitchen.